To fix WhatsApp Business keeps stopping problem on your device. First of all, log into your WhatsApp Business app. After that, what you can do is simply hold into the app for some time and tap on the app info icon over here. Now scroll down a bit and head over to your storage section by tapping here. Now here you'll find clear cache and clear data option on the bottom. Simply tap on both of them, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data. After that, simply close the application and go to your app info again and tap on force stop and tap on OK. After that, close this. Now head over to your Play Store session. Now tap on search and hit your search bar and type in WhatsApp Business. Now tap on the app icon and see if any update is available. If any update is available, there will be an update icon instead of open. But if it shows open, that means your app is already up to date. For future use, tap on this vertical line and tap on enable auto update so that you never miss an update. After this, close this and try reopening the app and your problem should be solved. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, then consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.